हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं नेम ऑफ द कलर्स। इट्स अ रेड कलर ऑफ द थिंग्स, स्ट्रॉबेरी, tomato and rose. It's a yellow color. Yellow color of the things, butterfly, balloon and banana. It's a green color of the things, grass, parrot and ladyfinger. It's a blue color of the things, blueberry, balloon and peacock. It's a black color of the things, blackberry, crow and bag. It's a brown color of the things, chocolate, coconut and walnut. It's a pink color of the things, lotus, balloon and taddy. It's a purple color of the things, cabbage, brinjal and beetroot. It's a orange color of the things, carrot, soda and orange.